Good morning, I have a new device for you today. Here we go. So, here it is. It's conveniently in my first cupboard on a hook. So that's all it is. It's called a vent lock, also known as a boot lock, but it's ideal, pet friendly, so you can get a little bit of extra air in there for your dog, cat, pigeon, who knows. So this is the 2-inch version. They go up to 4, 6, 8, 12, something like that. And I think if you get them from America, you can get a bigger version. But this is ideal for my needs because I'll show you how it works. You literally just hook it around there. Undo it first. Just hook it around there, then tighten that up. And I'll just show you from the side. So that's going nowhere, that's locked on there. The corresponding lock on the actual tailgate will go against this, and I'll show you how that works. But yeah, anyway, I shall do that. To do that, they're not the easiest things to do, they're quite fiddly. So if I was to try and line that up this way on the outside, probably not possible. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So through the side door, follow me back here. Welcome to the stink hole of Walthamstow. Anyway, forget about that. I'm just going to show you how this works. So the easiest way I found was to get in, close this behind you, line the male part with the female part, or the inner bit with the outer bit, and it should click. But I'm gonna have to give a little push from outside. So listen for the click. Alright, and that's it locked. So you can see you've got space and vent all around the outside. And so you're getting a decent amount of air through there. And I shall just take you around to the front or the rear of the vehicle so you can see it from the outside. So as you can see, you've got this space all the way around for air to get through. And so that's locked now. No one can get in there, thieving scumbags or anyone else like that. But yeah, but you've got a decent amount of fresh air coming in for you and your dog. And so as I say, you just use your remote here. And there you go. That's all fully unlocked for you. And this just stays down here. I used it because it's been a heat wave. So I was away somewhere nice, not in London. And so I had space and distance around me without all this detritus. And yeah, so as soon as I got there, 6 o'clock in the morning, I put this on and left it open for the whole time I was there. And the other thing I use are these. So you should be able to see there's just a little crack here, and so you've got air coming in through there, and then the same on the other side, giving you a kind of a through flow of air from the rear all the way. Bear with me, just turn my light off in here so I don't dazzle you. All the way through, plus you've got this air vent that I've just fitted, and with that combination, the heat in here was, I think, end of the day when I got in, because I was busy, it was actually, it's been obviously a heat wave, it was around the 40 degrees, and using that combination of the vent lock, the cracked windows at the front, and the extractor fan, that went from 40 down to 30 degrees in probably about between 30 and 40 minutes. And then I turned the extractor fan off and it kept dropping. It went to about 28 degrees, which yeah, it was all right, and it felt nice and cool. And I slept in here with the vent lock on. As I said, once that's on, it's fully locked, people can't get in, and so you're safe and sound. If you're not in a heat wave, but if you needed to sort of just keep your dog in the vehicle in a safe place for a short while, you could actually use that, knowing that he's safe in here, no one can get in, but you've got the airflow through the front and the back, and all good stuff. I mean, I chose the very smallest one that you could get, and the 2-inch one, not too many people seem to do them, but I was able to get one. I think it's about 12 quid, pretty cheap. But you can look around, because they vary a lot in prices for exactly the same thing. And so yeah, I would highly recommend getting one of those. As I said, safe and secure. So all you need to do to remove that, I'm just showing you, is undo it like that. But obviously it's harder with one hand. Everything's more difficult. Right, come off, right, so that's that off. As I say, simple and easy. Just stick it on a hook. Everything's falling out my cupboard because I'm using one hand. Sorry about this, I'm not going to reshoot it. But yeah, I would, as I said, I'd recommend one of these. I'm not sponsored. I don't think Vent Lock is even the brand name, but if you want to do a search, you'll find it under Vent Lock or Boot Lock. And as I said, a lot of professionals use these, dog walkers, RSPCA, if you believe in them, and people that work with dogs, basically, because the general idea is you'll have, instead of a bed and a kitchen area, a TV, you'll have this fitted out with cages for dogs, and then you close it down, and instead of just having the shortened version that I was using, you could have one of the longer ones, so then it'll hold the tailgate right open, giving those dogs plenty of air, or cats or pigeons. And so yeah, it's a pretty good thing to have, especially with how hot it's been. Kind of wherever you go, it's just too hot. I've been cutting down trees, and it was just a nightmare. Anyway, different subject. So yeah, if this has been helpful, please feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much, and goodbye.